A startling 87% of B2B buyers won't return to sites with poor product content. Here's what we mean. As a B2B manufacturer or distributor, your product content must be consistent, current, accurate, complete, and searchable. Otherwise, you're going to lose visitors and sales opportunities. After all, if you're a manufacturer, you need to send the right content and the latest updates in the right format to each of your channel partners. And if you're a distributor, you need to get the right content and the latest updates in the right format from your vendors. In both cases, this process is time-consuming and frustrating. To meet your challenge, you have two choices. You can do everything yourself, or you can partner with a specialized firm like KYKLO. With KYKLO, you require just 2% of the human resources you need by doing product content yourself. That's because KYKLO already has the in-house team and expertise to do all the heavy lifting for you. For manufacturers, KYKLO creates and provides the right content, manages content updates, and deploys to your channels automatically. For distributors, KYKLO gets the complete and updated content in the right format from your vendors without you lifting a finger. 85% of manufacturers have less than 50% of their product content available in any form. But KYKLO has enriched, harmonized product content from hundreds of manufacturers. Plus, KYKLO adds approximately 10,000 SKUs each week. KYKLO product descriptions and product data are created by engineers who understand how technical buyers search for parts and products. KYKLO product content is optimized for search, using the keywords that today's buyers use. KYKLO taxonomizes and normalizes all products into common categories, using industry-standard terms, and builds facets to easily filter content. This makes all products easier and faster to find. KYKLO product content is effective. Every SKU has an image. Every SKU has complete product data. KYKLO product content is always enriched with the data that today's buyers need. We provide the highest quality product library in the industry. Creating and maintaining your own content is costly, but partnering with KYKLO reduces your costs by up to 70%. KYKLO manages the entire relationship between manufacturers and distributors, and you don't need a product information management tool or any other software to keep your content accurate and up to date. KYKLO manages it all: content creation, enrichment, updates, and distribution. That's quite a few reasons to consider outsourcing your product content to KYKLO rather than doing it yourself. If you prefer to focus on your customers rather than managing your product content, let's talk.